Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki Moi here. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. I just wanted to show you guys this glitter cut crease that I made, whatever. If you want to see how I got this look, please just continue watching. I'm back. So I'm going to take a spoolie brush to brush up my ears. So right now you see me taking my brown eyebrow pencil. I'm just outlining my eyebrows, then I'm filling it in. That's about it. Right now I am taking my lighter shade concealer. It's the Tarte Shape Concealer in Tan, and I'm just going to outline my bottom brow, and then I will go in with my darker shade, which is, I'm not sure, it'll be in the link below. And just outline the top of my brows. Taking my darker shade concealer, I'm just making it start at the beginning of my eyebrows, mainly because when it's time to blend everything, foundation, eyeshadow, it's easier to blend when it actually matches your skin. The lighter shade in the front is hard to blend. You'll see. Like I've told y'all in previous videos, I am the beauty blender queen. So I am using my beauty blender to blend this out, give us a flat canvas for this beautiful eyeshadow we're about to do. So just keep watching. I am going to take a brush like this. color, you gotta go back in with that first one. So, taking that first brush back in with the yellow. This yellow is straight, but I feel like it needs that Juvias Place yellow. So what I want to do is go back with that red brush. I'm not going to add more product. I'm just going to add in place. Keep that blend going. Lift that eyebrow if you need to see. Glitter look, so I'm gonna go in with 94. 94 looks like this. Okay, that's 94. Okay. When I cut my crease, I kind of just stamp. I also make sure that I leave my eye open a little bit to reveal where my crease is, my natural crease, because I like my glitter cut crease to be above my natural crease, so that even if my eyes are up and I'm looking at you, you can still see my glitter cut crease. I don't want it hidden when I open my eyes. looking like this. So I'm excited to use it. Excited to use it. Not sure what color I want to do. So I decided to use the pink pigment. I'm going to use that. I am going to mix it in with eye candy liquid sugar solution. That way it gets it moist, and then we can use it as an eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm just putting a thin layer of my Duo Lash Glue onto my cut crease. Then I'm going to use ACCosmetics glitters and just apply it with a eyeshadow brush. The glitters are 24 karat gold and Megatron pink. I am now going to go in with our ACCosmetics highlight in the shade Main Chick. I'm just going to put it in my inner corner eye, and that's just going to give us a more glam and beautiful look. I am also going to do the rest of my face. I'm not going to talk about it anymore. I've done the foundation routine, so you guys can just keep on watching. I'm going to speed it up, and that's the end of the video. I just want to thank y'all for watching. for watching. There's more to come. If you would like to see more, just make sure you like and subscribe. Press the subscribe twice to get the notification, okay? Whenever I post. Stay tuned for Teaching Tuesdays with Kiki and What's New Fridays.